Now we will discuss third ignition type, electronic ignition system. In this system of ignition, we will use electronic components to produce a spark for combustion of fuel. The main type of electronic ignition system are: first one is transistorized coil ignition system, second one is a capacitive discharge ignition system. First, we will discuss about transistorized coil ignition system. The circuit diagram of this system is shown in figure. The contact breaker and cam assembly of conventional ignition system are replaced by a magnetic pulse generating system. A magnetic pulse generator is a gear shaped iron rotor driven by distributor shaft. The number of teeth on rotor is equal to number of cylinders. This magnetic pulse generating system passed the pole of stationary magnetic pickup provided by permanent magnet. This system detects distributor shaft position and sends electrical pulse to an electric control module. The control module switch off the flow of current to primary coil, including a high voltage in a secondary winding. This high voltage is distributed to a spark plug to produce spark in a combustion chamber. This is the working of transistorized coil ignition system. Then we will discuss about second electronic combustion system, that is capacitive discharge ignition system. The details of capacitive discharge ignition system are shown in figure. In this system, a capacitor is used rather than an induction coil to store ignition energy. It consists of 6 to 12 volt battery ignition switch, charging device, control unit, ignition transformer, etc. Charging device convert the battery voltage to charging voltage of 300 to 500 volt by means of pulse. These pulses are generated by pulse mapping circuit. Now this charging voltage is step up in ignition transformer. Ignition transformer contains primary and secondary coils. Ignition transformer step up the primary voltage by discharge of capacitor. The control unit switches of the flow of current to primary coil, inducing a high voltage in secondary winding. This high voltage is distributed to a spark plug to produce spark in combustion chamber. This is the working of capacitive discharge ignition system. So conclusion is, we have studied different type of ignition system. In that we study components and working principle of these ignition systems. Thank you.